What's up guys, and welcome to the future of smartphones. Vivo has officially unveiled the Apex, the Vivo Apex 2020, the concept phone. Vivo first started this concept things back in 2018 and now it's on a completely extreme level. So here we just not have the official trailer but also some of the real life vlog of this Apex 2020 smartphone. So the Vivo Apex 2020 is officially the first smartphone in the world to have an in-display camera technology. And not only this, the Apex 2020 is also packing some of the very latest and extremely exciting technologies that we have ever seen on a smartphone. It's rocking a 120-degree full view edgeless OLED display which looks extremely beautiful, and because it has the in-display camera system, the display on the front is completely bezel-less, no notches or holes or anything like that is here. And by the way, if you don't know, so 2020 is the year of under-display cameras and it first started by the hands of Vivo. Moving on to the back, so we have this 48 megapixel gimbal stabilizing camera system, meaning the videos that you shoot by this phone will be stabilized very well directly out of this phone. Then we have this proper 5x to 7x optical zoom camera. Yes, proper optical zoom, no other terms, just a proper 5x to 7.5x optical zoom, which also makes it the first phone to shoot optical images beyond the limit of 5x. Then there is something really crazy, and that is the 60 watts wireless charging. Yes, you heard that right, 60 watts wireless charging. That is even faster than the current wire charging technologies that we currently have in the market. This is completely on a very insane level. This phone clearly way ahead of its time, where we won't see any charging jacks. Just put your smartphone on a wireless pad and it will charge your phone in minutes. And Vivo is calling this super flash charging technology. And there's also one more exciting thing, and that is the voice tracking autofocus. Now personally I don't know what it is, but it seems like the camera will focus based on voice. But again, if the official statement come up by Vivo, then I'll surely update you, so make sure to like my Facebook page. Other than that, we also have this real life look of the Vivo Apex 2020 and just mind blowing. It looks really cool, very tall phone. We have no edges whatsoever. Little bit of chin is also here, but the screen to wide ratio of this phone is probably be around 98 or 99%. And if you look at the sides, it's just display. We don't have any physical buttons. All the buttons will be controlled by these virtual buttons, and the back is also looking very exciting. Even if you look closely at the periscope zoom setup, it's definitely looking by the shape of this that it has something very special on this setup. So this is the thing what Vivo has officially unveiled today. It's labeled as concept phone right now, which means it's not gonna sell, but by the look of it, it's looking a very ready phone. Just conclude every technology that this phone has: 120-degree side curves, in-display camera system, one of its kind main camera with gimbal stabilizing system, proper optical zoom beyond the limits of 5x, 60 watts wireless charging, voice tracking autofocus, and a very beautiful design. So this phone clearly way ahead of its time. The future has officially here now in the shape of Apex 2020. Let me know if somehow this phone comes out in the market, then what is going to be the price of this phone. Do let me know what you think in front of these $1,400 pricing. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you in the next one.